As NASA prepares the Space Launch System or SLS to lift off on its inaugural flight around the moon before humans board it, about 10 satellites will hitch a ride into the lunar orbit. Among them is BioSentinel, a CubeSat that will perform the first long-duration biology experiment around the moon. The shoebox-sized satellite will carry microorganisms in the form of yeast to understand the health risk posed by long-duration travel in deep space. The experiments are aimed at filling the gap in data that could provide key insight and set in motion plans to send humans to Mars in the future. The BioSentinel probe will monitor the vital signs of yeast to see how they fare when exposed to deep space radiation. It will study yeast cell growth and metabolic activity after exposure to high radiation environment beyond low Earth orbit. It is to be noted that space radiation is one of the most dangerous things outside the planet that affects a nanoscale. These high-energy galactic cosmic rays and bursts of solar particles can wreak havoc on electronics and living cells alike. The spacecraft will be deployed within hours after the launch as the Space Launch System opens up its fairing and pushes the Orion spacecraft on its way to the moon. BioSentinel itself will swing past the moon a few days later. Once around the moon, a week-long yeast study will begin. NASA said that decision behind sending yeast around the moon for experiment was taken because yeast cells have similar biological mechanisms to human cells.